Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's do a walk around of this brand new 2022 Healy small chassis cushion forklift, model number CPYD20CS KU1H. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 4,000 pounds and it runs on LP. You'll see there that it has 3-way hydraulics, and while I'm on this side, let me show you that digital display so that you can see that it's a great place to see everything you need to know about your forklift. Coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this currently has 42-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need 48, we can make that happen. Looking at the tires, these are black, smooth, cushion tires. And coming up here to the lights, we have these combination lights on top that show you your turn signals and also have that work light. And we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside the cab, we have lots of great features, including that convex rear view mirror, as well as a steering wheel knob and a fully adjustable steering column. This seat is a fully adjustable, full suspension seat. It moves forwards and backwards, adjusts with your suspension, and adjusts with your incline. And you can see there that it has that high visibility safety belt as well. And back on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn, which is great for your operator to keep a horn at their thumb even when they're backing up. And back on the back, you can see we have these combination lights that include your brake lights as well as your turn signals and that backup light, and you'll hear the backup alarm. And up on top, we have that movable magnetic yellow strobe that can be repositioned as you need to. As I mentioned, this is our small chassis style, so it has a very tight turning radius. Now, if you have any questions, or if you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.